Daniela, Banyana, Banyashala. I've come to prophesy the downfall of your wicked kingdom, America, and all the extensions of the beast. Babylon, your fake days are over, you goddamn snakes. First giving all honor and praise to the Most High Holiest. Now, Yahweh, Ba, Hashem Yahushai. Holy, holy, holy. Hayam Lakal. Now, Yahweh, Ba, Hashem Yahushai. Aman, Aman, Aman. Selah. Double honors to my brothers, the 144,000, preaching this gospel in all four corners of the earth, in all the known languages of man. Shalom, shalom, lavakoyim yashala. I'm with you, my brothers. Babylon, my what, Lasa? Isaiah, chapter 28, verse 1. Woe to the crown of pride, to the drunkards of Ephraim, whose glorious beauty is a fading flower, of whom are in the hand of the fat valleys, of them that overcome with wine. Behold, the Most High Holiest, Abinah Yahweh, Ba, Hashem Yahushai, hath a mighty and strong one, of whom as a tempest of hail, and a destroying storm, and as a flood of mighty waters overflowing, shall cast down to the earth with the hand the crown of pride. The drunkards of Ephraim shall be trodden under feet, and the glorious beauty of whom is on the head of the fat valley shall be a fading flower, and as the hasty fruit before the summer, of whom when he that looketh upon it seeth it, while it yet is in the hand, he eateth it up. And that day shall the King of armies, Abanawi Haolam, Shavuot, Alashaja, Ba Hashem Hamashiach, Malakir Tazadak, Yahushai, be for a crown of glory, and for a diadem of beauty unto the residue of his people, the man formerly known as Yaakov, Yashala, the so-called Negro in America, the so-called Latin Americans, and the so-called Native Indians. We are the real Hebrews of the Bible, not you fake goddamn snakes that are living in my land for almost 64 years. The synagogue of Satan. You goddamn snake for business, you goddamn snake and schnell. You goddamn oyster. And that day shall the King of armies, Abinah Yahweh, Ba, Hashem Yahushai, be for a crown of glory, and for a diadem of beauty unto the residue of his people, and for a spirit of judgment to him that sitteth in judgment, and for strength to them that turn the battle to the gate. Yet they also have erred through wine, and through strong drink are out of the way. The priest and the prophet have erred through strong drink. They are swallowed up of wine. They are out of the way through strong drink. They err. Good for me to bitch. No begging on this and Reagan, you got up snakes. You got some fish for second from the nuclear creek. Fuck you, bitch, you faggots, fuck. But they also have erred through wine and through strong drink are out of the way. The priest and the prophet. Abinah Mashashai, Shalakrayam, Why Nasham, Why Shoshua, Why Bajam, Why Ragyam, Why Mashpachab Yamakal, Adawam Yamagram, Why Yabyanawa, Babagushab, 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 Sawanatam Yad, Aman, 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 Sila, Mawaka. You goddamn snake! Jesus God been Turkish foot, you fucking piece of shit! Who is this John Buckley's partner, you? You goddamn devil! Whoa! To the crowd of pride, shut me up, bitch! Whoa! To the crowd of pride! They also have erred through wine and through strong drink are out of the way. The priest and the prophet have erred through strong drink. They are swallowed up. They are out of the way. Through strong drink, they err and vision. They stumble and judgment. Give him his word, Father. Babakasha, babakasha. Babakasha, babakasha, babakasha. The word of Yad. Aman, aman, aman. Sila. Whom shall he teach knowledge? And whom shall he make to understand doctrine? Them that are weaned from the milk. You goddamn snakes. You misrelated. Mitavad. I'm not allowed to touch you. Alta mitavad. You can walk by and scheiß dein goddamn Love in meine Richtung. Aber alles, was du sagst, wird zurückgespuckt. Ich bin nicht ein goddamn Spuk, du fake goddamn Prophet. Das sagt das, was du hören willst. Ich gebe dir Kleid, Ehrlichkeit und Wahrheit. Laut, wie ich kann. Ich bin verpflichtet von meinem Vater, dass du kein Ausweg hast. Ich bin nur verpflichtet, so laut, wie ich kann, dich in Stücke schneiden. Mit Kleid, Ehrlichkeit und Wahrheit von meinem Vater. Das ist genug, dass er weiß. So lass einfach. Lauf einfach vorbei und lach. Und ich will an dich lachen, wenn mein Vater bringt euch ab in die kommenden Tage. Jeder von euch, das sind meine Stimme. Du bist markiert von Vergebnis oder dem Feuer. Von der es hat mich geschickt. Amen. Sila. Jesus Christus es ein Negro, nicht ein goddamn Diablo Blanco. Wie erschreckt bist du, wenn du rausfindest, der Letzte, das du denkst, ist geschickt, ist doch geschickt. Isaiah chapter 43, verse 1. But now, thus saith the Most High Holiest, Abinah Yahulam, Ba Hashem El Shai, that created thee, O Yashala, and he that formed thee, O Yashala, Kal Allah Abinah Yahweh, Alam Ba Hashem El Shai. Fear not, for I have redeemed thee, Lavakoyim Yashala. I have called thee by thy name, thou art mine. When thou passest through the waters, I will be with thee, and through the rivers, they shall not overflow thee, the Yashala. When thou walkest through the fire, thou shalt not be burnt, Lavakoyim Yashala. Neither shall the flame kindle upon thee. And so then the Father shoots me from them fire, was hat gemacht. Jesus bin bewegt von der goddamn gespannten Finger, von der goddamn Heiden. Ich bin immune von deinem goddamn Körper, you goddamn snakes. Isaiah chapter 43, verse 1. Yet thus saith the Most High Holiest, Abinah Yahulam, Shabbat Alashata. Hashem, HaMashiach Malach Yatzadak Yahushai, that created thee, O Yaakov, and he that formed thee, O Lavakoyim Yashala. Fear not, for I have redeemed thee. I have called thee by thy name. Thou art mine. When thou passest through the waters, I will be with thee. Das sieht nur so aus, dass ich alleine bin, you goddamn blending depths. Ich bin weit weg von alleine. Größer ist der, das ist in mir. Im Vergleich mit euch, you goddamn zombies. Fear not, verpiss dich, you goddamn stink. Fear not, for I have redeemed thee. I have called thee by thy name. Thou art mine. When thou passest through the waters, I will be with thee. And through the rivers, they shall not overthrow thee. Du schmeißt dein goddamn fake faggot ass words in meine Richtung. Aber du hast Steine auf meinen Bruders Kopf geschmissen. Du hast Kacke in sein Gesicht geschmissen. Du hast meinen Bruder verkreuzt, you goddamn snakes. Was ich überlebe von euch, you goddamn Zombies, ist eine leichte Strafe. Du hast Stimme gemacht to my brother. You goddamn snakes. Ich präsentiere mich ein Leben der Opfer. Du wirst kein goddamn künstliche Ruhe haben, solange das mein Vater anwenden muss. Babakashab, Warikanyan. Aman. See them. Isaiah, chapter 43, verse 1. Yet thus saith the Most High Solius, Abinau Yawalayim, Ba Hashem El Shai, that created thee, O Labakoyim, Yashala, and he that formed thee, O Labakoyim Yashala, fear not, for I have redeemed thee. I have called thee by thy name, thou art mine. When thou passest through the waters, I will be with thee, and through the rivers, they shall not overflow thee. When thou walkest through the fire, thou shalt not be burnt, neither shall the flame kindle upon thee. For I, the Most High Solius, Abinau Yawalayim, Ba Hashem El Shai, thy God, the only one of Labakoyim Yashala, thy Savior, Labakoyim Yashala. I gave Egypt for thy ransom, Ethiopia and Seba for thee. Since thou wast previous in my sight, thou hast been honorable, and I have loved thee. Therefore will I give men for thee, and people for thy life. Fear not, Labakoyim Yashala, for I am with thee. I will bring thy seed from the east, and gather thee from the west. I will say to the north, give up, and to the south, keep not back. Bring my sons from far, and my daughters from the ends of the earth. Everyone that is called by my name, for I have created him in my glory. I have formed thee, yea, I have made him. Bring forth the blind people that have eyes, and the deaf that have ears. Let all the nations be gathered together, and let the people be assembled. Who among them can declare this, and show we the former things? Let them bring forth their witnesses, that they may be justified. Or let them hear and say, it is true. Ye are my witnesses. Labakoyim Yashala, saith the Most High Solius, Abinau Yawalayim, Ba Hashem El Shai. God, Aman. Sila. Who among them can declare this, and show we the former things? Let them bring forth their witnesses, that they may be justified. Or let them hear and say it is the truth. All of you that hear my voice, you will not have the excuse that you were not warned. Alles was du laberst und was du denkst, es kommt from my Father, from the angels on your left side and the angels on your right side. Alles was du machst heute, wenn du überhaupt heute überlegst, und was du gestern machst, und vorgestern gemacht, ist geschrieben in the book of Job und auf der Buch der Leben. You goddamn snakes, die mich betrifft, lass es dich trippen. Wenn du dich zweifelst, du bist nicht zweifeln, was du nicht warst im jüngsten Gericht. Stehst du nur für meinen Vater an der jüngsten Gericht? Wann bist du nicht für ihn? Welches Death, nimm dein Zigarette and forget the devotion from God. You goddamn snakes. Und deswegen, der Vater gibt dir dein Lohn. Great. Wenn du mich hast, ist weil ich sagte dabei. Aber in Wirklichkeit, du hast der, das hat mich nicht geschickt. Aber wenn er mich nicht geschickt, er will mich verziehen, you goddamn dead